Hey there, I'm back from vacation and ready to get back into the swing of things. As you can tell, I still have a bunch of stuff to set up, but the things I have to set up has grown. My very first day back from vacation, I made a run to Rockler and I picked up a few more things. I think I'm done picking up things now because I'm getting overrun with boxes. So it's time to start assembling. And as I start assembling the jointer, the drill press, the bandsaw, along with the table saw, the lights, the air filtration, I'm gonna film and show different pieces of the assembly process. Probably not the entire thing because there's a million videos on YouTube for unboxing and assembly of all these tools. So I'm not gonna go through each and every piece. I'll just go through and hit the highlights if I come across anything that I think would be a gotcha for anybody else. So stick around, come back, watch as we get all this together and start producing stuff in the shop versus just filling the shop with stuff. See you around.